Hey guys, what's up? This is George from Out of the Box Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at Razer's Blackwidow Chroma V2 keyboard. I was searching for quite some time for a mechanical keyboard to replace my old memory one. After long consideration, I finally went for Razer's flagship, marketed on the website as the most advanced mechanical gaming keyboard. Without further delay, let's see what's inside the box. On the front of the box, there is a nice shiny illustration of the keyboard itself and a small key tester. On the back, we have a general overview about the features, the keys and the RGB lighting. We can see this is the green switch version, which is tactile and clicky. There is also an orange and a yellow version. So let's take a look inside. And there it is, the all black, stealthy looking keyboard. We have the key tester here, we'll go over it in a sec, let's focus on the rest of the box for now. The packaging is neat and tight, and the keyboard is encased in protective foaming and is very well protected. Also in the box we have the usual documentation, which includes a small quick start guide, a little overview of the keyboard and a couple of Razer stickers. Let's have a quick look at the key tester before we move to the keyboard. It is really well made and it seems like it's more than just a simple gimmick. It has its own power, and if you press it, it gives a good feel of what the switches are going to be like, so you can decide before you buy. Plus, you get a taste of the whole range of the RGB lighting. All in all, a nice little trinket. So let's jump to the main event. And the first thing I notice is the wrist rest. I never used one before, but now that I do, I must say I'll never go back. The foam padding is really soft but supports the weight of the wrists pretty well. The faux leather gives it a nice feeling to the touch, and of course it is magnetically attached to the keyboard, so you can take it off in case you don't want it or need it. The build quality of the Blackwidow keyboard stands out. The all matte black color finish gives a stealthy vibe to it. It's a bit on the heavy side and its body is quite rigid. It definitely looks like it can withstand the more abusive gamers. This whole stealthy feel is complemented by the beautifully pronounced tactile keycaps and the vivid RGB lighting. Beside the 101 standard keys, you have an additional 5 dedicated micro keys on the side. The keyboard is connected to your PC with a heavy-duty braided cable that ends in 2 USB connectors and a 3.5mm audio jack spike. And that is because on the side of the keyboard you have 2 dedicated ports for audio and USB pass-through. Also, at the bottom of the keyboard you have 2 small folding stands that you can adjust to your liking. As said earlier, the Blackwidow Chroma V2 uses Razer's green switches. And as all of Razer switches, they are designed with gaming in mind. They require 50 grams of actuation force, they are tactile and very clicky, and have a lifespan of 80 million keystrokes. Let's have a quick sound test. As far as the lighting effects go, out of the box you have a total of 8 pre-programmed effects. And these are breathing, fire, reactive, ripple, spectrum lighting, starlight, static, and the all famous wave. All of the effects are highly customizable, and using the advanced Chroma Studio option of Razer's Synapse software, you can create your own effects and color layouts for different games and apps using any of the 16.8 million color range. Or you can download one already made. So what kind of keyboard are you using? Are you a Razer fan, or maybe Logitech, or even Corsair? Comment down below and let us know. If you liked the video, then please consider to subscribe, like and comment. This was Out of the Box Reviews, and we'll see you next time with more exciting products. And as always, thanks for watching.